Good morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Friday, January 25th, and it's also opposite day. I'm Arav.
And I'm Sara. Here is your morning announcements. Student 5 will be arriving back from camp this afternoon.
Upper Primary Assembly is led by grade 3 today in the MPR.
Next Thursday, we will start our test celebration assembly during period 1 for EE4 to grade 1. On Friday, we will have our annual Tet Fair starting. Period 1 for the whole primary school.
The Student Representative Team, SRT, is going into their last week of organizing the Tet Shoebox Appeal Drive, which helps those in need this holiday.
Track and field training will take place this week. Check with the coaches for which events are trying on which day.
There will be Gymnastics Team training Monday at 3:15 to 4 p.m. This year, Ishmak is hosting the Across Asia Youth Film Festival at the secondary campus. More details can be found at aayff.com.
Makerspace is open to grade 1 and 2 students during morning recess. The Makerspace is now on the second floor by the library.
Joke of the day. What do you get from a pampered cow?
What?
Spoiled milk.
Random fact of today. Full moons appeared brighter in winter was in summer.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, if you have made mistakes, even serious ones, there is always another chance for you. What we call failure is not falling down, but staying down. Mary Pickford.
That is for today morning announcements. Have a wonderful Friday.